adventure, and the sun's in the glare. Can't find my Rappa hat, my beloved Rappa hat, and I can't find my regular glasses. So anyway, I'm gonna go out and try and get this day started after a day of back pain. It's usually how it works. I work in the yard and I take 2 or 3 days off to recover. But I haven't been able to do this in years. So anyway, I'll give you a little tour of what's going on today. First I'm going to start the beloved Jeep. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. It still hasn't gotten muddy yet. So it's supposed to have some nice weather, so hopefully I can stay outside and get some stuff done. Don't slide off of there. Start the old bad girl here. Alright. I'm going to show you the nightmare of a garage I got going on here. I'm going to have to shut you off for a second and switch the phone around so you can see and get some light in the garage, because there isn't much light in there. Okay, well, here we go. I have crutches I haven't used in almost a year. Anyway, you walk in here and it's a friggin' mess. I tripped over the drawers for the excuse me, the toolbox. So I want to get on that. First thing I'm going to do up here today is probably put up a couple shelves. Move the trail around because it's got the one stereo shelf in it. Give me a place to put some stuff because there's absolutely no storage. Might be nice enough today where I could at least nudge the Bonneville out and I can get around inside the garage a little bit. Got me a bullet heater. Music department that I can't play because I'd be infringing on someone's property. Artistry. I did put in the neon lights, the LEDs. So I got a little bit of light, at least for working right here. Got the lockers over here. Can't get to them to put shit in them though. This heatilator thing guy had in here. It's got an oil drip in it. It's my Toro wheel horse Lisa got me, along with my brand new Husqvarna 455 Rancher, which works awesome, which I'll just throw some video up random there. But most of the stuff you've seen in my other garage, now you really can't see damn thing because there is no room in the house. I'd like to get to my weight bench. I'm dying to lift weights again. That's killing me not being able to exercise like I was. But see, there's not a whole lot to it. Garage doors are all broken. The old halogen lights that sucked, and there's wires hanging everywhere. They did say I did meet the old owner, or the old man, he's younger than me, who lived here, who wired a lot of this, and he says there's 220 out here. Now, I don't know. There's another fuse block up there. I don't know if that's where I can. I'd like to find out where I can plug the welder in out here. Huh. Well, something to look at. First things first. Find the beer I left out here yesterday. It's probably frozen solid. I don't see it. Anyway, there's your view. It's gonna be a long time before I can get to it. I think Big Johnson made a comment about how the shop, or asked how the shop was coming along. Well, it's really not moving. In fact, it's going in reverse. But I'm going to get started and check back in with you later. Okay, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon here. I've been going at the toolbox all day. Not too many issues, just the fact that I just got to keep organizing, and I don't like that crap. So I'm going to show you where I went and how it went, and that's the end of it. Anyway, hope you all had a great day, and I'm done. Here you go. Let's spill beer. Alright, there you go. I moved the toolbox. Well, I put all the drawers in it. It took me all freaking day. I hate that. But I don't have to do it ever again. At least I'm not going to ever do it again. But anyway, there it is. I moved that one and the purple box. I still got tools all over the ground. I got to go through and organize. If someone sees something they're interested in or whatever, let me know. Because I don't do this for a living anymore, and I just don't need all this stuff. There's a chainsaw I destroyed the other day. Alright. So I got a space to kind of work in now. At least I can get to my tools once they're organized. And I can get some work done in here. That's the biggest problem. Back up here. I'll back up a little bit so you can... Not a whole lot of room here. I still gotta clean this crap up. Most interesting man in the world. Alright, so that's it. Over and out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do.